See here, one problem is given. You have to write this problem in your notebook. Okay. A food packet dropped from a helicopter reaches the ground in 5 seconds. If the velocity with which it hits the ground is 50 meter per second, then what is its acceleration? So we already seen here the initial velocity of a freely falling body is taken as 0. So the initial velocity in this problem is 0 meter per second. And what about final velocity? 50 meter per second, and time is given as 5 seconds. So we can find the acceleration as v minus u by t. So what is v? 50 minus 0 divided by 5. So 50 minus 0 means 50 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. So 10 meter per second square. So what is the acceleration of the food packet? That is 10 meter per second square. So the initial velocity is 0. Later the velocity increased to 50 meter per second. That is why this food packet is accelerating. Here you can see two color cars, yellow and blue, and the driver inside this car wants to take a rest. So he is slowing down his velocity, while the driver inside the car wants to move fastly, therefore he is increasing his velocity. So in this case the velocity is decreasing, that is why the acceleration is also decreasing, and here the velocity is increasing, that is why acceleration also increasing. So I already told, whenever this acceleration becomes a negative value, then we call it as retardation. So what is retardation? Negative acceleration is known as retardation. So whenever the acceleration decreases below 0, then we call it as retardation. So the negative acceleration is known as retardation or negative acceleration. Its unit is meter per second square. The unit of both acceleration and retardation are meter per second square. But retardation means negative of acceleration is known as retardation, or it can also known as negative acceleration. Find out whether the acceleration is positive or negative in the following situation. So here some situations are given. We have to find out whether the acceleration is positive or negative. A ball rolling on a level ground. So in this case, a ball rolling on a level ground. So whether it is positive or negative. The ball is rolling on the ground. So when its energy decreases, what happens? The ball comes to the state of rest. Is it? So after moving a distance, the ball comes to rest. That means it decreases its velocity. That is why it is negative acceleration. A train starting from the station. We know that initially the train moves slowly. Later it increases its velocity. That is why it is positive acceleration. The motion of a stone thrown up when it goes up and comes back. So the motion of a stone when it is going up is negative acceleration, because at the top the final velocity becomes 0. So it is negative acceleration, but it comes back from the top to bottom. When it comes back, it is positive acceleration because its velocity increases. So while going up, it is negative acceleration, and while coming back, it is positive acceleration. So aren't you now familiar with the concepts of speed and accelerations? The speed of vehicles increases when there is acceleration. So whenever the speed of the vehicles increases, what happens? There will be acceleration. Excessive speed of vehicles may result in accident. So what is the reason for accident? Yes, one of the reason behind this accident is excessive speed, over speed of vehicles. We can minimize the deaths due to the accidents to a great extent if we obey the traffic rules and signals put up on the side of the roads. So we can minimize the death deaths due to these accidents by obeying the traffic rules as well as the signals which were put on the sides of road. So here there are some signboards are given. Speed thrills but kills. Don't mix drink with drive. Better late than never. Wear helmets while driving motorcycles. Are the deaths caused by the accidents are the result of negligence and excess speed of vehicles alone? Don't you think that the carelessness of the pedestrians is also one of the reason? So what precautions should the pedestrians take? So while moving along the road, the pedestrians also follow the rules of the traffic. So which are the precautions the pedestrian should take? Here it is given, walk along the footpath only. So we have to walk along the footpath only. Don't walk along the road. Okay, walk along the right side of the road. So whenever you are walking, walk on the right side of the road. Cross the roads only at zebra crossing. So while crossing the road we have to take precautions. So we have to cross the road only where there is zebra crossing. While walking along the road late in the evening or night, avoid wearing black or dark colored clothes. So while walking along the road during the night or evening, we should not wear the black